Am I the only one that didn't know AI could write code? Well, buckle up, because Einstein GPT for developers is here to blow your mind. This groundbreaking AI tool translates your natural language prompts into executable Apex code. Imagine asking for a feature in plain English and seeing it in code instantly. Integrated seamlessly with the Salesforce Platform, it leverages your org metadata and the AI trust layer for secure, reliable code generation. Easy to set up via VS Code extension or Code Builder IDE, you simply open an Apex file and execute the SFDX generate code with Einstein command. Initial results? Mind-blowing. Einstein GPT is already crafting Apex classes and test classes effortlessly. And guess what? Future updates will bring LWC support, improved code completion, and interactive assistance. Plus, with AI-driven code analysis, finding bugs and inefficiencies becomes a breeze. Salesforce's commitment to AI research makes Einstein GPT for developers a game changer. Ready to code smarter, faster, and better? Welcome to the future of coding with Einstein GPT for developers. Are you started using Salesforce Einstein GPT for developer? Let us know in the comment box. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to your very own cloud developer channel.